2024. What a year it's been. Let's take a look back at what you achieved this year, as well as some of the exciting things we've been working on. But let's wrap up this year with your annual ezyVet checkup. You were busy this year. You booked nearly 50 million appointments through ezyVet, and you ran more than 20 million patient diagnostic tests. A lot of those appointments were domestic short hairs. That makes sense. And effing pinchers. Wouldn't have guessed that one. You had some affectionate patients this year. 891 of you made a custom Loves Kisses demeanor in ezyVet. That's a whole lot of smooches. Stock up on that otic solution, because the most commonly diagnosed condition, otitis externa. You probably saw a whole lot of Bellas this year. But there's another important name that's not on this list. Velo. Velo makes it easy to connect with your clients thanks to automated SMS and email reminders, online scheduling, and two-way conversations that sync up seamlessly with ezyVet. This means a 5% increase in visit volume, a 5% increase in practice revenue, and a 19% reduction in no-shows. Not bad. This year, ezyVet worked with CareCredit to roll out a new integration that lets you process CareCredit transactions faster, more efficiently, and more accurately. And well, let's just say it was a hit. Nearly 2,000 ezyVet practices have enabled the integration. And over 450,000 integrated CareCredit transactions were processed this year. According to some of our customers, the integration saves them about 4 minutes on every CareCredit transaction. Staying on top of inventory is a constant battle. That's why we released ezyVet Scan, a free app that helps you manage your inventory from your mobile device. You took to it like a duck to water. 50,000 inventory counts have been recorded, with early adopters saving an average of 83 minutes per count. In 2024, we took the wraps off the ezyVet Knowledge Center. It's fast, functional, and sports a gorgeous UI that makes it easier than ever to learn ezyVet. Plus, you don't even need to log in to access the Knowledge Center. Just head over to docs.ezyvet.com and start browsing. Life moves fast. To help you save time, we launched the pilot of AI-assisted notes. It's a new AI experience that records patient histories based on the natural flow of conversation during patient exams. That means no more typing and no more staying late to finish your notes. Stay tuned for your chance to use AI-assisted notes in 2025. That's a wrap on your annual ezyVet checkup. Thanks for joining us. From all of us here at ezyVet, see you next year.